The U.S. has surpassed the grim milestone of 125,000 deaths as a result of COVID-19, according to a Johns Hopkins University tally, and a disturbing new trend doctors are seeing across the country. ABC's Karina Mitchell has more.
As the U.S. marks a new daily record of diagnosed coronavirus cases, 11 states now pausing their reopening plans. Florida, particularly hard hit, seeing an increase Friday of more than 9,000 cases in a single day. Governor Ron DeSantis trying to downplay the spike, not mandating masks statewide.
And we're going to trust people to make good decisions.
Still, Floridians out of luck if they want to visit a bar. The governor now shutting them down again. In Texas, a similar situation. Governor Greg Abbott, in an interview with the ABC station in El Paso, admitting, quote, in hindsight, the state reopened too quickly.
Bars is a type of setting that's not made for a pandemic.
Restaurant capacity is now being scaled back and elective surgery suspended as hospitalizations surge. ICU units at capacity.
Seeing people die because of it, and I'll be honest, I'm scared to death.
This virus is out of control in Houston. If we don't act to get it under control, very bad, extremely bad things will happen.
Businesses getting hit.
You know, we were hoping it would turn around by May. But now that everything is going in the wrong direction, it doesn't look like we're going to be over this anytime soon.
And in California, doctors seeing an alarming new trend.
Typically, though, what we are seeing as compared to early in the pandemic, we are seeing more younger patients than older patients.
But at the first White House coronavirus task force briefing in almost 2 months, Vice President Pence defending the president's recent rally in Arizona with thousands of college students.
And even in a health crisis, the American people don't forfeit our constitutional rights.
Dr. Anthony Fauci instead delivering a wake-up call, saying more people will die.
If we want to end this outbreak, we've got to realize that we are part of the process.
Meanwhile, in New York and New Jersey, confirmed cases continue to subside. New Jersey announcing plans to reopen schools this fall, and New York City on track for phase 3 reopening July 6. Karina Mitchell, ABC News, New York.